Yeah. Senoritas, senorita. I don't know. What? You're retarded. Really? That was not me. That's why I'm the one that got up and walked away, right? Because I'm like, yeah. This isn't us. It's fartsoundboard.com. Google it. She's just trying to cover up her dirty business. Google it. It'll come up with a bunch of little buttons. Press 1 and you'll hear a fart. You know, we've been doing this for a year.